A very good morning everybody. The hot topic for today is Russia's anti-satellite missile test. US for the first time has used such aggressive tone towards Russia and says that they will give them a good and befitting reply. US says that they will team up with its allies namely UK and France and give Russia a befitting reply. Now let's see what Russia has done. Russia has destroyed its own satellite in space to test their missiles. So, because of that, there is an increase in waste of space. The astronauts of the International Space Station were endangered and they had to move to their transport ships to seek refuge in case a lot of debris damages the International Space Station. Not only US but even France has used such harsh statement against Russia. As you can see here, they are saying that space belongs to vandals, which in turn means that they strongly condemn the Russian satellite strike and they are comparing their action to modern day vandals, which is not an appropriate form of behavior coming from a global superpower like Russia. Even United Kingdom says that they will give a proper reply to Russia for their actions. But to be honest, it would be interesting to see that what would UK, France and US do to counter this move by Russia. The Russian strategy is very simple and can be put in two words, which are pure aggression, whether it be Belarus's migrant crisis. Putin perhaps wants any kind of confrontation with the US and the UK so that it can divert the Russian public and portray that the US and UK are its enemies and Russia should focus on them and not on the minor internal issues going on in Russia. Let's talk about what an anti-satellite missile is. As the name suggests, it is a missile to destroy satellites. There are two types of missiles, kinetic and non-kinetic. Kinetic is the typical missile where it needs to come in contact to explode, whereas the non-kinetic one can destroy its targets from far away without any physical contact, for example laser beams. The first anti-satellite missile was launched by USA in 1959, followed by Russia in 1960s. The world then knew that USSR and USA both have satellite destroying missiles. Later on, China and India both also successfully tested their missiles by destroying their satellites. This custom of destroying your own satellite is just a portray of power and to warn other countries that they can destroy their satellites if war may break out. In the recent years, Russia launched 3 anti-satellite missiles but to only test their range and not to destroy any missiles. The recent test of the missile on their own satellite has angered USA and caused this uproar against this test. A few years back, even India did a missile test secretly, but it was not criticized by the US because the Indians followed the set rules laid down by the UN and the debris caused by the satellite is almost gone. But the Russian debris which has been created right now is still floating in space and can cause damage to any satellite present nearby. Also, the Russian test was unnecessary as the whole world knows that Russia is capable of destroying satellites because of the tests conducted by the USSR. Again, it only makes us viewers think that was this test only a missile test or an attempt to provoke America. With that question, I will take my leave and will see you all in the next video. Thank you.